History remembers its heroes: Einstein, Curie, Edison. Their names are etched into the very fabric of science, celebrated for their breakthroughs and immortalized in textbooks and museums. But what about Nikola Tesla? His story is often overshadowed, his genius sometimes misunderstood or even forgotten by the mainstream. Tesla, often called the father of our modern electrical age, was more than an inventor. He was a visionary who saw the universe as a symphony of vibrations, where every particle danced to a cosmic tune. He gave us alternating current, lighting up cities and changing the world forever, but his ambitions reached far beyond what most could even imagine. In private, Tesla dreamed of wireless energy, global communication, and even contact with other worlds, visions that seemed like science fiction at the time. He built massive towers to tap into the Earth's resonant frequency, hoping to turn the planet into a conductor of limitless power, a source of free energy for all humanity. His notebooks brimmed with cryptic diagrams and calculations that still puzzle scientists, hinting at ideas and technologies that remain unexplored to this day. Tesla lived a century ahead of his time, blurring the line between genius and madness, often misunderstood by his peers and the public alike. But why did so many of his revolutionary projects end in failure or abandonment? Was it simply the world not ready for his ideas, or was there something more? Was it just financial trouble, or did he discover something so powerful he believed humanity wasn't ready for it? Did he fear the consequences of unleashing such energy? Imagine a world powered by invisible energy, shielded from war, connected across continents. Tesla saw it all as possible, a future where technology united rather than divided us. Yet, at the brink of his greatest discoveries, he pulled back, haunted by doubts and perhaps a sense of responsibility for what he might unleash. What if, in his quest, Tesla found a force so immense he chose to hide it from the world? The secrets he left behind remain one of history's most tantalizing mysteries. Every object in the universe, from the tiniest atom to the largest planet, has a natural frequency. This is resonance, the secret rhythm that shapes reality. Nikola Tesla mastered this principle, believing that even the Earth itself could be made to vibrate, allowing power to be transmitted wirelessly across great distances. To Tesla, resonance was both a powerful tool and a potential threat. A small push at just the right frequency could unleash energy on a scale beyond imagination, for creation or destruction. Tesla's vision extended beyond Earth. He looked to the cosmos, building devices to capture the energy of cosmic rays, decades before mainstream science even began to understand their potential. He imagined tapping into what we now call zero-point energy, the limitless, invisible power of the vacuum, present everywhere in space, waiting to be harnessed. If Tesla was right, the universe is an endless ocean of energy, and humanity is just beginning to dip its toes in, barely afloat on the surface of a vast, untapped sea. Tesla dreamed of engines that could draw from this cosmic source, ending pollution, eliminating scarcity, and putting a stop to resource wars that have plagued humanity for centuries. But as he experimented, he glimpsed the dangers: fireballs erupting in his lab, vibrations so intense they could shatter buildings, and forces that seemed almost alive. He realized that introducing new frequencies into the world could destabilize the delicate balance of reality itself, with consequences no one could predict. Tesla wasn't just inventing, he was probing the very boundaries of nature, using machines that could awaken forces beyond human control or comprehension. His work hinted at a fundamental instability in the fabric of existence, a hidden vulnerability that few dared to imagine. Was Tesla the first to sense the risks of tampering with the universe's hidden energies, or simply the first to warn us of the price of unlocking cosmic fire? Tesla's genius brought him to a crossroads: create or destroy. He spoke of a death ray that could end war, but refused to share its secrets, fearing its misuse. His Wardenclyffe Tower was meant to broadcast power and information worldwide, but it was abandoned amid rumors of danger and sabotage. Tesla's later years were marked by secrecy and self-censorship. He believed the world wasn't ready for his greatest discoveries. Imagine holding the key to a new era, but fearing it could ignite catastrophe. Tesla chose restraint, letting his most powerful ideas fade rather than risk disaster. He warned that science, if it studied non-physical phenomena, could leap ahead, but at what cost? His warnings weren't just about weapons, they were about the very foundation of reality. Tesla glimpsed an abyss and stepped back, leaving only cryptic cautions for the future. His story is a lesson in the responsibility that comes with knowledge. Sometimes the greatest act of genius is knowing when to stop. When Tesla died in 1943, the US government seized his papers within hours. Officially, it was to keep dangerous ideas from enemy hands, but the real story is murkier. Scientists reviewed his work and dismissed it as speculative. Yet key documents vanished, especially from his most secretive experiments. Where did these missing pages go? Some say they're locked away in secret vaults. Others believe they were destroyed. For a meticulous man like Tesla, their disappearance is suspicious. These lost notes are now the holy grail for Tesla enthusiasts, believed to contain the secrets he hid from the world. The mystery cemented Tesla's status as a figure of conspiracy and intrigue. His legacy is both the technology he gave us and the knowledge that was taken away. Today, at CERN on the Franco-Swiss border, the Large Hadron Collider continues Tesla's quest to unlock the universe's secrets. This massive scientific instrument is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, a marvel of modern engineering and physics. The LHC is a 27-kilometer ring where protons collide at near light speed, recreating the conditions after the Big Bang. These collisions generate temperatures and energies that existed just moments after the universe began. Scientists here search for the building blocks of reality, dark matter, dark energy, even extra dimensions. They aim to answer fundamental questions about the nature of our universe. Like Tesla, they seek the hidden machinery beneath the surface of existence. Their work is a continuation of his dream to understand the unseen forces that govern our world. The LHC's discoveries, like the Higgs boson, have reshaped our understanding of matter. This particle, once theoretical, is now a cornerstone of particle physics. But the energies involved are unprecedented, and some fear the unknown: black holes, strange matter, or worse. These concerns, while often dismissed, highlight the unpredictable nature of such high-energy experiments. These fears are dismissed as improbable, but they echo Tesla's own anxieties. Are we playing with forces we can't control? The line between discovery and danger is thin. CERN's mission is driven by curiosity, but it's also a reminder of the risks of probing too deep. The pursuit of knowledge must be balanced with caution. Are we prepared for what we might find? The answers we seek could change everything we know. The pursuit of knowledge is noble, but it's not without peril. Each discovery brings new questions and new uncertainties. Tesla's story lingers as a shadow over every new experiment. His legacy is a testament to the power and danger of scientific exploration. Are we repeating history's most dangerous gamble? The stakes have never been higher. One of CERN's most profound questions echoes Tesla's fears. What is the true nature of the vacuum? Modern physics agrees with Tesla. Empty space is a seething field of energy. Quantum theory predicts a vacuum energy far greater than what we observe, a mystery that haunts science. Then there's vacuum stability. Our universe may be in a false vacuum, stable for now, but vulnerable to a catastrophic shift. A powerful event, like a high-energy collision, could, in theory, trigger a bubble of true vacuum, rewriting the laws of physics as it expands. This cosmic doomsday would erase everything we know, replacing it with something alien. Physicists say the odds are infinitesimal, but their calculations rest on incomplete knowledge. Tesla's warnings about resonance and energy may have been about this very fragility. Did he sense that reality itself could be undone by the wrong experiment? The risks are remote, but not zero. In probing the vacuum, are we courting the ultimate danger? We stand at a crossroads: Tesla's caution versus CERN's ambition. Tesla, the lone visionary, saw dangers in the fabric of reality and chose restraint. CERN, a monument to collective curiosity, pushes ever further, confident in its models. Are we repeating the experiment Tesla abandoned, risking the unknown for the sake of discovery? His missing notes remain a mystery, a warning from the past. As our power grows, so does our responsibility. The quest for knowledge is noble, but we must ask: are there doors better left closed? The future of reality may depend on our answer.